Hey, what you working on today? Hey Olaf, we're gonna fix the rear window motor in the Nissan, so that way you can put your window up and down. Oh, that sounds good. It gets hot back there when I can't put the window down. Ooh, gummies. Can I have some of them, Major?
Yeah.
Here, give me some. Yummy. Oh, can I have the whole bag? Ooh, oh, oh, gummies. Those are sour. That is sour. Okay, so this is the new motor and bracket we're going to be installing. So let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, so first thing you want to do is remove this right here. It should pull down. There's that little plastic piece right there. Use regular Phillips for it. Next, you want to pull that out. There's tabs there, comes right out. Then you want to go ahead and pop this off. And grab a flathead. That pops right off. Get that off, got that off. This pops right up. And then there's disconnect. You gotta undo the tabs right here and then disconnect that. That off now. Next thing, we're gonna need to remove these two here. You can use a 10mm wrench for it, or you can use a Phillips. And two. Alright, so now that we got them off there, next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and pop this off. There's clips. So it just pops off there. And then you want to lift up with this to get it off. There we go. Alright, so now you got this on there. There's a butyl bead on here, so you want to kind of peel the sucker off of here. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is go ahead and unplug this right now. We'll remove this first. You only need to take one side down. just loosen up this other nut here. There you go. That'll come down and stay out of the way. All right, this is where you're gonna need your 10mm. Show me again. Get it in there. Nice, good shot, Major. All right, doing good. All right, so let's go ahead and move these 4 bolts. Yeah, you can see what happened here. This actually broke off. Here's the new piece that's gonna go there, and you can see where it broke off, and that's why it wasn't working. There you go. You can see that piece was connected there at one point. There's the old one. So, a little different, but let's go ahead and get this one in. Then we want to put our 2 bolts back in through here. You have to slide the window up. Okay, so we're going to want to connect this. See, this is the kind of trouble you run to when you get aftermarket parts. These don't match up, the harnesses. So, what we could do, we can go ahead and clip them and we'll get them together. Okay, so we got that bolt in there, it's nice and tight. We'll tighten up this one now. Alright. We can go ahead and let's go ahead and we got to disconnect it. We know that this works, we know the window. There we go. That the window works now. Okay, we can disconnect this. Alright, so they're together now. Instead of going out and spending more money to buy a harness that would fit and having a different motor on here, it's all set now. So now we can go ahead, put this back on. And we're just going to be reassembling everything now. Now we got the cover back over on top of this. That's down, and then you're just going to press it into place. And you're going to want to put those two screws back in. I could have done that. That's simple. Yeah, it is pretty simple, Olaf. Alright, why are you so close to me again? Oh god, here we go. Personal space. You do not know personal space. Yep. Hey Olaf, how you doing? Yep. Alright, buddy. Back off a little. Okay. What are you doing? Oh. Okay. Now, what is this? What is this? What are you doing? Okay, now you're even closer. Alright, can I finish this, please? Okay. Oh god, Olaf. Alright, back up a little. Come on. Come on, you big moose. Ugh. Jeez. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. snap right in. There we go. And let's go ahead and connect this now. Snap back down in there. Put this piece on. There it goes. So that's all back together now. Last thing we gotta do is put this little plastic screw back in here. All right. So now we got a working back window again. And this ain't gonna be falling down on me while it's raining out and having rain come in and everything. Hold on. So there we go. So that's the piece that you replace. I think I paid 28 bucks for mine on Amazon. You can get them from the dealer, but you're looking at hundreds of dollars. So as long as you know how to just cut some wires and twist them together and cover them, you should be all set. So hope you guys enjoy, subscribe as usual, right, Olaf? And we'll see you on the next one, all right? Bye.